Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will try to explain you how we can install, download Java JDK in our system. Let's start. Open your browser, just write here Oracle Java. Open your first link, Java software, and now you can see this is our official Java website. So now we will click download Java. Now we have to scroll down and you can see we have different operating system, Linux, Mac, Windows, but now my system is Windows, so I will click on Windows, and now I will click x64 installer is a exe file JDK, so I will download this file. Now our download is in progress. Open the file location, the download folder. Now you can see our download is already successfully done. So now we will click to install JDK. Open it, click on it. Now our installation is in progress, so we will click on next button. This is our location, our Java JDK location. So you can, if you want to change the location, you can change it, it's not a problem, but for me it's fine, so I will click on next. Now our installation is in progress. It will take 1 minute around. You can see Java development kit is successfully installed, so now close it. And now we have to set environment variable for our Java JDK. Let's open our Java JDK. Open the C folder and we install our Java JDK in program file. Open it. You can see Java is here. Open Java JDK, click on bin. Now copy this location and just open environment, just search for environment, edit system environment variable. Open this. Now click on environment variable, click on path, click on edit and new, just paste the location, the JDK location, this one, and paste here, then OK. Now again path here, click on edit, now new, again paste here, OK, and done. Now let's check our JDK installed successfully or not. Click on CMD, open your CMD command prompt. Now just write here Java version, right, and enter. You can see our Java 19.01 is installed successfully. Now let's run another program, Java C command. You can see that our Java JDK is installed successfully. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.